This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and account are eligible. Check that your phone or laptop supports passkeys and that your browser and OS are up to date. Once done, enable platform authenticators and roaming keys in settings so WebAuthn can see them. Next, open the account security page and ensure passkey registration isn't blocked by legacy MFA policies. Do this now so registration succeeds. These steps remove the most common environmental causes of no passkeys available. You proceed to register a passkey on the site. Choose Platform Authenticator or an external security key and follow the prompts. As you register, grant biometric or PIN consent. This links the credential to your secure element. Once the passkey is created, name it so you recognize which device it belongs to. If you need multiple devices, make sure roaming passkeys are enabled and synchronize them or export them to a trusted security key immediately to avoid being locked out. You finish by testing sign-in on the intended browser and device to confirm the passkey appears and authenticates. If it does not show, clear the browser cache, restart, and reopen the security page. Sometimes the authenticator service needs a restart. If registration fails repeatedly, verify platform key permissions and reset WebAuthn credentials in system settings, then re-register. As a last resort, toggle passkey support or use a hardware security key to recover access. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.